Well, if it isn't me back after, I don't even know. We're doing duck nails. I don't even need to introduce this. I'm doing duck nails. That's it, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna make another video after this. We're not gonna talk about that. I'm doing duck nails. And before I get to talking about prep, I wanted to show y'all this little break that I had. Playing my little game. This is called Cats and Soup. I kept getting ads about it on TikTok, and I was like, let me download it. It's so fun. Y'all should download it if you like Cats and Soup. Anyway, so I have a new prep routine. I'm prepping with, I use Zule's Bond-Aid, which is a dehydrator, and I use Light Elegance Vitaprime, and I'm also doing a coat of tack, which is what I'm doing right now. That is a UV gel bonder primer. I'm going to show you guys now how I put on my forms. So it's a lot simpler than you think. Make sure it's secure, right? Once you feel it's secure from underneath your nail, then you can secure at the bottom. Let it flare. All you want to do is pinch right at the first lip at the towards the bottom of the form. And that's it, you're done. And you leave it open. Okay? Now duck nails, people always want to talk about, oh, duck nails are so ugly, da 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 da. Okay, but listen, do you see the way that the bead like naturally flowed down? It's like the natural way that a bead goes down in a duck shape. So I don't want to hear nothing about that, okay? Like, we get it. You're lame, you're boring, you don't know how to have fun, you're not that girl. We get it. Like, you don't have to tell me that you don't like duck nails, because that's all I'm hearing from you is that you're not that girl, right? Okay. Boom. And like in my head, I'm already like, first of all, nobody's even gonna watch this video. But I'm talking about like on TikTok, like I already know people is gonna be like, oh, these are so, I hate them, blah blah blah, like I don't care, blah blah blah. Oh, these are so ugly, don't bring them back, blah blah blah. Okay, whatever. Like, I don't know, maybe you're just like lame. I don't know, like maybe you are just not that girl, because I'm rocking these, okay? It's giving ghetto fabulous. It's giving very much like something your hot mom would have back in the 2000s, okay? Somebody's mama had these nails, I already know. Anyway, oh girl, that's my hair in there. So I'm not even talking about the nails, because really, what do I have to say? I did a little cutout. Do you see how talented I am? Like, I did a little cutout in the acrylic right after I sculpted the base. And then I just went straight in and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. It was kind of hard to see, but I did it. And that was just so that I didn't have to do that towards the end after filing, because that would have been annoying. I think I've already established that I'm going to be talking this whole entire video, but that's okay, because it's 1 a.m. and I have to release my energy so I can go to sleep. So this nail, this is the junk nail. Now, I feel like when people do duck nails, they be doing literally anything. Like, you will see anything on a duck nail. And I'm gonna pull up a reference photo. In fact, I'm gonna pull up my reference photo for this, and I'm gonna pull up my inspiration board, because I made like an album from like stuff I saw on Pinterest for my inspiration, and I literally took all my ideas straight from that, and I, reworked them in my own little way. But this is literally this is like chaotic, and like I literally put jump rings in my freaking nails, like, because I swear to just be doing anything with duck nails. And I feel like you have to pull out all the stops for these, and that's what I had to do. I had to make sure every nail was different, something else was happening on the next nail. Like, you feel like you looked at one nail and there was a lot going on, but now you're looking at the next one, it's like, well, there's still more stuff going on. Like, are you done? No, I'm not. So yeah, now I'm doing my favorite nail. This is my favorite nail because it's beautiful and it looks like a galaxy. So that's fresh strawberries from Sugar and Cream. I absolutely love that acrylic color. It's so pretty. And then on top, I'm doing $1 Million Baby, my favorite glitter acrylic from Nail Heaven, but they don't even sell it anymore. I actually didn't look, but I feel like the last time I looked, it's not there. If it's still not there, I think Nail House actually has an acrylic that's kind of similar, but I'm sure other companies have acrylics that are similar, because it's a very it's very nice, very beautiful, very classic. Everybody loves it. It's light pink, it has glitter, it's everything. And then this is Scandalous by Nail Heaven Supply Store. I absolutely love this color. So on top of this, I'm going to put Pink Crush from Glitter Bells. I had to do this because I was like, okay, I don't want Pink Crush, like just Pink Crush, and I don't want just Scandalous. And I was like, oh, mix it, best of both worlds, because you get the blue reflex, and then you get like pink reflex, and you get a different kind of blue reflect in there. Like, it's like the perfect combination. So then this one we're doing an ombre. I decided to layer black underneath the black glitter acrylic, just so that I have a good base, right? If you hear my stomach, don't even hear it. My stomach will not shut up. I'm trying to explain myself. Okay. I had to do black underneath because then I would have to build up so much of the black acrylic glitter, and I didn't want to do that. So black is my base. I probably could have done that with the pink too, but it's fine. And then I'm doing a little ombre, whoop-de-woo, you know. This, I mean, I want a full set of this. I feel like when I do my refill, sorry, I need to stop doing that because you can hear the clicks and the clacks. When I do my refill, I really want to do that on like all my nails. That's going to be a lot of work to like file everything down. But who knows if, you know, maybe. Now we're encapsulating. I didn't tell you about my new brush. Oh my gosh. So this brush is from Nail Prof. It's a size 16, baby. I moved up, okay? This is like, I'm in big girl territory. This is a big girl brush for the big girls. For the girls who know what they're doing. For the girls who do the long nails. Because I can pick up fat beads with this. Like the biggest beads you've ever seen in your life. Why am I smacking and clacking my nails? This is after application. Girl, it was, ooh, look at that. What if I just left the house like that? Would y'all be mad? What would you do? Like, what would you do? You wouldn't even do anything. Anyway. Yeah, so that's my favorite brush right now. I love this brush. I want to buy like 10 of them. Anyway, we are filing. This is, I have a new dust collector. I don't know if I talked about it. And I said I was going to do a review of this. And I literally have the footage recorded, but it's just sitting in my SIM card. Like nothing's happening to it. And I also have a review of this e-file. Also, the footage is sitting in my SIM card. It's not even, I didn't even put it in a folder to be edited. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's sitting there because I don't know how to do things anymore. It's a lot trying to do all this content creating. Oh my gosh. Don't even get me started. I could rant about that all day, but I'm not going to. Tell me why. So like when I was on my right hand, I have like I had lifting already like the next day because this was a 3-day process. This was day 2. Filing was day 2. So this is the second day. And literally I had lifting because application on your dominant hand is really, really hard. And so that's why. So like I have a little bit of lifting on my thumb in the corner. Dang, my stomach won't shut up. And on my middle finger is bad. And I have some on my pinky. But I just had to be like, let go and let God. Because like I didn't feel like, who's doing that? I don't care. And I don't care if I get a greenie. I don't care. And like I just went to school. And I learned about greenies and stuff professionally in an educational setting. And I'm still enabling this behavior. It's sad, isn't it? But I don't care. Like, what do you want me to do? I'm not about to file that off and no, I'm not doing it. And now we're hand filing. I was kind of debating about keeping filing in just because it's like, whatever, girl, this video is already like 20 minutes long. But, you know, it is what it is. Also, something about the shape. So like this was my first time sculpting duck nails. I was really nervous about it. So like my right hand came out like okay, mid. My left hand's a lot better, but so I basically was like picking up too big of beads when I was sculpting the base. So like some of them were really wide, and then also they're like very there was way too much excess on the sides that I had to file. So that's just like a mistake on my part, like over anticipating or like over what is a word? You probably, I don't know. I can't think of words right now, but y'all know what I mean. Like, I was just like overthinking how much acrylic I would need, so that did mess up my shape a lot. And so that's why like only 2 nails I feel like are really perfect, like my ring and my pinky on this finger, I mean on this hand. But I mean, other than that, like, they're okay. And look, my right thumb is so much shorter. It makes me want to crow up and die. Throw up and die. Oh my gosh, can you guys hear my stomach? I just had a cookie. I made cowboy cookies for my girlfriend for Valentine's Day, and I had some left over. And it's literally like a meal in a cookie. Cowboy cookies are crazy. Like, there's oatmeal and nuts and chocolate in them, and it's like a whole serving of oatmeal in one cookie. Like, my stomach can't handle that. And now onto the fun part, which is the art. So I am hand painting some Fridgies, and the freehand art gel that I use is from Bubblegum Claws. She sent me her collection of freehand art gels. I really love the black gel because I've actually been like wanting to get some for hand painting purposes, and it is so good. It's so thick, so your lines are going to be really pigmented. I'm definitely learning, like, with control. I'm understanding how much gel you have to have on the brush to get really crisp lines and pigmented lines. So check it out if you want some freehand art gel. That will be linked in the description, as well as pretty much everything else that I am using. Like this chrome is also linked. I love this chrome. Look at that. It's just so gorgeous. And here's a tip: if you don't have a specific color chrome that you want, just paint it with jelly polish. I don't even know what accent that is. You must know that jelly polish creates the effect of a colored chrome powder. Anyway, yeah, that's how you get pink chrome powder. I mean, pink chrome, whatever. More painting. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to say. I don't even know what to say. We're doing a little sexy lace-up moment, a little risque, a little scandalous. And then this is not the final zebra print that I did. Like, clearly that looks different from right here, but I was struggling with that for some reason. And I'm doing heart cheetah print, again, straight from my inspiration board album thing. Thank you, Pinterest. Love you, Pinterest. Hashtag Pinterest. Some more hand painting that I was only able to accomplish with that gel. Ooh, that gel saved my life. And this brush, my Hella Cute liner brush from Nails by Dev. Yes, honey. She finally came out with a brush that has a cap, but it's shorter than this one. I'm like, girl, please. I am begging her to release the Hella Cute liner with a cap. I will buy 10 of those. Like, seriously, I've ruined like 4 brushes because I forget to clean them or whatever, or there's still something left in there. Like, I'm going to send her a voice message on Instagram of me throwing up and crying in the microphone because I really need her to do that for me. I'm doing another heart cheetah print. I hate doing stuff on my non-dominant hand. I mean, y'all, yeah, on my dominant hand. With my non-dominant hand though. I hate it. People are always like, how do you do it? I don't know. Like, I just did it. And I feel like this time doing my dominant hand really kicked my behind. This time it really did because of that lifting. Like, cause I feel like I have never had lifting like the second day. Didn't even top coat the nails and I had lifting. That ain't never happened to me before. So I'm starting to think it might have been because of the tack, maybe. I don't know. Something went wrong. I don't know what it is. Anyway, it's bling time. Bling it a bling blow. This nail was giving me a hard time. because you see there's no tacky layer on the gel. So when I top coated, like, it was bubbling up and it wasn't sticking. But I just like top coated over those areas again, and I just needed it to last so I could take pictures, and it did. So it's fine, whatever. I don't know what else to say. Maybe I shouldn't be talking. No, I'm going to keep talking. Oh yeah, this one, another direct inspiration from a photo. It looked like these were like wedding nails, and the person had like their husband's name. It was like Pedro or something. I thought it was so cute. I'm gonna do that when I get married. So freaking cute. And then this little galaxy nail. Ugh, just ugh. So that wasn't even my intention to make it look like a little galaxy with a star. That's just what had happened. Then we're doing a little bow and a little lace element. So cute. And then this is the full bling nail. Had to pull out the zebra bows. I have a cheetah bow too. Had to pull it out. That is straight. That is so Y2K. Like, that's what that is. Okay, pulling out all the bling. Had to do it. I mean, ugh. Just listen. I just love hearing all the, and I like touching it. Anyway, I hope I've changed people's minds. I hope I've made you realize that duck nails are nothing to be afraid or hateful of. They are just like every other shape, and they deserve your kindness and compassion and understanding, and your love as well. You know, they really didn't ask to be a duck nail. It just happened. Ooh, this, I painted that heart, right? And then I was like, okay, let me flash cure it. I took it out and I tried to wipe off the tacky layer. Everything came off. I had to repaint that. I literally couldn't even have a bad reaction, because normally when I be reacting to stuff, I'd be like, oh my god, or like I just like have some loud reaction. I didn't even do that. Like, I just sat there because I felt stupid. Isn't that how people from Baltimore say stupid? They say stupid or stupid. I can't even do it anymore. It's so funny. Anyway, I don't know where this design came from. This is just from my mind. Like, this is in Y2K. The only thing that's Y2K about it is the bling chain. We're nearing the end of the video. I've been talking for 20 minutes. I hope I didn't forget to say anything, and I probably did, but I don't care, because again, this is like, I haven't posted a video in so long, and I already know what happened when I haven't posted a video in so long and I try to post again. I didn't even hit 500 views. Flop. But look. Oh my gosh. Tell me you hate these. Tell me to my face that you hate them. Because I'm not gonna believe you. I don't believe you. Like, I don't know what you're gonna gain from telling me that they're ugly. This is what I don't understand about people. They be trying to say stuff. I'm not listening to you. Like, why would I listen to you? Look at my nails. Can you do this? If you can't do this, you can't talk. Period. Don't say nothing to me, okay? Nobody can talk to me with these nails, bro. Okay, this video about to be over. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this, nobody probably watched this. Like and subscribe and comment if you like them. Let me know what you want to see next, even though I am not going to probably post a video for a long time. But follow me on TikTok, because I'll be posting on there, and on Instagram, and subscribe to my mailing list on my website so you know when it's time for press on time. Okay, bye.